Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials, iOS version, and that you have enough storage and a stable network. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear transient glitches and force quit the home screen or Files app to reset their state. Make sure iCloud Drive and Photos are signed in and syncing. This prevents empty folder views caused by authentication gaps. Now that those prerequisites are complete, move directly to the next steps to inspect folder settings and visibility. You should examine the folder contents closely. Long press inside to reveal hidden apps or edit mode, since offloaded apps can disappear visually but remain listed. If apps are offloaded, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and re-download the apps to restore icons. This fixes many empty folder cases. Also check screen time and content and privacy restrictions, because disabled apps vanish from folders. Make sure home screen layout filters aren't hiding pages. Once addressed, to finish, rebuild the folder. Drag each app out, wait a few seconds, then move them back in to force the UI to repaint. If that fails, reset the home screen layout in settings to restore icon mapping. If deeper corruption exists, use Reset All settings. This keeps data but clears preferences. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, and install any pending iOS updates. One troubleshooting tip: backup first, because restoring from backup or reinstalling iOS often resolves stubborn empty folder issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.